Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese koththu. Start by prepping roti into strips, shredding 250 g cheese, and chopping onions and chilies. Heat the pan, sauté spices and aromatics, then add roti and cheese and toss to coat evenly while pressing for char. Finish with lemon juice and fresh cilantro, taste, adjust seasoning, and serve hot for a rich, comforting meal with a crisp bite. In this video, I will show how to make cheese koththu. Heat a large pan until hot, add oil and aromatics, then lower to medium-high and keep stirring constantly for even charring. Press and toss with a sturdy spatula to develop crispy bits while preventing burning. Add small splashes of stock or water if the mixture becomes too dry, and finish with butter tosses for extra richness before plating and serving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: leak-proof containers make meal prep and leftovers effortless and keep saucy koththu secure for work or travel. They seal tightly to prevent spills and make reheating easy, so they pair perfectly with batch cooking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab them, you'll thank yourself later. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make cheese koththu. Mix cheeses that melt well and grate them for even distribution, then add spice and aromatics early so flavors develop. Keep portions manageable in the pan to avoid steaming instead of frying, and balance heat with a squeeze of lime or vinegar for brightness. Stir in fresh herbs at the end, taste as you go, and serve immediately for maximum gooey texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.